who wants to pursue their career into the banking sector. I know it is very difficult because the number of openings are very less comparing to the number of applications which the banks receives. Due to that, the banks are having so many filters in the examination and in the interview process. Only one third of candidates are being selected by the bank. It's really appreciated the way you work to get your desired job. But before getting to the desired job, do you know how exactly the retail banks are working? It is very important before getting into any career or any profile which you want to get into. You must know how exactly the career works. Then only you can also adapt to the fields and you can always be in a success position in the career. Do you think the retail banking is in a regular office work? And you think the customer will come into your branch banking and you will be doing the service to the customer? Not only that, the world has gone so far, now everything is digitalized. Do you expect the customer will come to your branch banking and get service from you? No, it never happen nowadays because everybody can access their bank through the way online they can do it, or they can do through the mobile banking. There are many platforms the customer can go digital and get the banking needs done. The banks are hiring in new employees not only to manage the existing customer but also to bring a new set of customer, because if the banks are maintaining the same level of customer, the bank cannot be grow in terms of revenue. The bankers not only there to give a service, also to support a revenue for the banks. In terms of bring a good revenues to the bank, the employees must bring the new clients and should do the cross-selling, upselling to the existing customers, and also to support a banking in terms of all the productivity across the banking product. You have to support the banks, then only there will be a mutual growth between you and the bank. It doesn't matter that you are entering into the officer position or a manager level. The banker is always should play an all-rounder role. It means you have to service the customer, you have to support the banks in terms of operation or customer service, and also the main core business, you have to support the bank in terms of sales. It means a banker has to play a major role in sales so that the banker as well as the bank will have a mutual growth. If you want to spend your spare time with families and friends, probably this job won't for you. If you still think that you want to be a perfect banker and you want to pursue your career into the banking sector, you can check the person who is already working in the banking career and ask how the banking environment is goes. If everything is if everything is adapt to you, then you can have a better view throughout your career. After all this, you never want to quit your banking career, so do not rely on the retail banking. There are other banking sectors which can help you in terms of work-life balance, regular work timing, and there are other benefits as well as. So the candidate must view overall the banking sector, not only the retail banking sector. There are other banking classifications are there which is called as the investment banking, which will provide you all these opportunities, and if you were pursuing to gain your knowledge as well as a career, the better option that I will suggest you is the investment banking. You want to know more about the investment banking? Keep watching. Bye.